Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add a line in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to insert a vertical or horizontal line in Google Docs, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To add a horizontal or vertical line in Google Docs, first of all, open Google Docs in your computer web browser and log into your account. Now, open the document where you want to add a line or create a new document. Once you are in your document, click on the document where you want the line to appear. I am going to insert a horizontal and vertical line here. From the menu bar at the top of the screen, click on Insert. In the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing. From the right side, click on New. A new drawing window appears. From the top of the drawing window, click on Line. Now, click and drag to draw the line. You can make a horizontal or vertical line here. Use the Shift key to make it straight. You can also use the line weight to adjust the thickness of the line and the line dash to change the style to solid or dotted. Once you are satisfied with the line, click on Save and Close. The customized line will be inserted into your document. You can also insert a horizontal line directly from the toolbar. From the menu bar at the top of the screen, click on Insert and select Horizontal Line from the drop-down menu. The horizontal line will be inserted. By following these simple steps, you can easily add and customize horizontal or vertical lines in your Google Docs document.